I don't know how well this is going to come out, but we'll figure it out. So I figured out a trick to clean these really well. It stinks real bad. But take some Brasso, just across here. I mean, I was using a old feeler gauge, 0.32, 0.8 millimeters, and it's bent at the end here, not on purpose, but you could use a straight end. I have it taken apart all the way. Just come in here and scratch it, and that'll get the bottom real clean. Or you could take one of your broke side seals right after that, and it pulls up all this nasty ass dirt. See that? So wipe this clean the best I can here. Put it back in there. And it's pretty smooth. And it lets the seal in and out easy. And to clean it out, I was just using some brake parts cleaner, just in there. Yeah, that's working all right. This is me cleaning my rotors for my 12A. I've got to replace the brand new bearings in here because in storage they got scratched real bad on this one. This one didn't get affected here. But this one had a defect in it where this had got smashed in, and then when I punched it out this way, it interfered with the corner seal. So I took my $10 rotary tool from Harbor Freight and zizzed it out a bit. This is a balanced assembly from the rotary specialists or whatnot up in Canada. Adam did this, so I shipped it wrong, so it had some issues there. These are softer than you think, so be careful with it. But yeah, you get all this gunk. Sprayed my face.